We love to share our home with our cats, but we also like a beautiful and clean home, right? Let's face reality. You hide your cat's litter box, right? Of course you do. They are always ugly. Cleaning the litter box is a hassle, and cat litter always ends up everywhere. Even when you thought the automatic litter boxes would be the solution, you had it wrong. They make loud noises. Hoopo is introducing you to the Dome litter box. It has a beautiful design, it's easy to clean, and cats love it. Lift up the cover and put it on the floor. The scoop is designed to slide easily through the litter. Use a small tray for the feces and pour them out to the right place. Even deep cleaning is done in an instant. The integrated tray captures the litter before the cat walks out. The soft pads prevent your floor from being damaged. Don't hide your scoop anymore. It completes the modern look. The closed design gives your cat privacy while it prevents you from looking at your cat's, yes, poo. Because Dome is completely hassle-free, your cat will always have a clean toilet, which makes the litter box a lot more comfortable for your cat.
Hello, my name is Marcus from Hoopo Pet Solutions. We truly believe that we've designed the best litter box in the world, and it is our dream to bring our litter box to all you cat lovers. But therefore we need your help. Large-scale productions require major investments up front, and we can't do it without you. Please help us make this become a reality. Click on the green button and back this project today.
Your cat would be just as grateful as we are.